is an update as far as we have a reaction, in fact, now coming in from West Bengal. It is related to municipal recruitment scam. It is linked to South Damdam municipality case. The latest update is that Sujit Bose, TMC candidate and state minister, arrived at the ED office located within the Salt Lake CGO complex in connection with municipal recruitment scam case. Sujit Bose, in fact, reached the ED office around 10:27 a.m. this morning. Sujit Bose has been summoned in connection with the recruitment scam linked to South Damdam municipality. Let's go across to my colleague Shivam, joining us live right now for more on this. Shivam, what is the latest that you can share with us? Tell us a little bit about the case here and what can be expected today. Shivam, can you hear me? Okay, I don't think Shivam is able to hear me. We'll try and reconnect with him in just a bit. But the latest update we are getting for you right now is from West Bengal. TMC candidate and state minister Sujit Bose arrived at the ED office that is located within the Salt Lake CGO complex. And this is in connection with the municipal recruitment scam case. Sujit Bose, in fact, reached the ED office around 10:27 a.m. this morning. He was summoned in connection with the recruitment scam linked to South Damdam municipality. He was summoned earlier as well. Now, he was summoned shortly after the announcement of election schedule and citing his preoccupation with election-related duties. Earlier, Sujit Bose, we have learnt, sent his lawyer to the ED office instead of appearing in person. However, today he has arrived at the ED office personally, and primarily ED officials will be questioning Sujit Bose regarding the recruitment process within the South Damdam municipality. So this is the latest update that we are getting for you at this point in time. Even as the state of West Bengal is getting ready for the counting day on 4th of May.